Hello guys, welcome to the channel Ballpark. Today I'm going to ride my T400, a little bony from Triumph. In this channel you will be seeing videos related to T400. Today I'm cruising at a highway. I'll generally like to keep the RPM below 4000, 4500 just to enjoy the ride, relax the ride. If the chains are properly looped and the tires are inflated with the recommended pressure, we are able to get a speed of around 90 kilometers per hour. That's sufficient to get a chill ride. Post 5000 RPM, engine starts to whistle. That's not the character of a retro engine, so I generally want to keep it below 4000, 4500. Sit back, relax and enjoy the POV. Just a new bike. In upcoming videos I will be adding on new accessories. Also, yeah, let's see how it goes. If you like, share and subscribe to the channel. That's all about Triumph T400. A little bony. Hope you watch the full video. Let's meet next video. Until then, bye.